Hi, my name is Maurice Robey. I'm the owner of True North Air Service. We're situated 7 hours north of Toronto in Cochrane, Ontario. I have lived and touched the beauty of Northern Ontario, and I would like to give back to my guests what I've experienced. Our camps sleep 1 to 12 and are very well equipped with propane fridges, stoves, generators, and approved wood stoves. All our camps have walkways leading to the camp and to the washroom. We offer excellent boats and new motors that will get you to some of the best fishing spots you can ever imagine. At this time, we have decided to develop our camp at Partridge Lake, which has access to Kasogami Lake with trophy pike and abundant walleye. Our camps at Echo Lake, Singer, and North Burnt Bush have walleye and pike as well. Speckled trout areas north of Cochrane is also one of our experiences that you will remember for years to come. So bring your camera and get ready for a fishing trip of a lifetime. If fishing and hunting is what you're looking for, you've clicked on the right website. This is fly-in fishing at its best. Only one camp per lake. It can't get any better than that. Our mission is for you to have fun, create friendships and souvenirs, making sure people enjoy the greatness of Northern Ontario. Have questions? Email us or call us at 1-877-772-3422.